In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you a very simple CSS box shadow technique which you can utilize to make this type of layout. So this is the basic markup of our project number 6. Inside the container we have this article box, and inside article we have title and paragraph. In the style.css we have only these base styles like for the font family and universal reset and container. For the container is only for the purpose of centering the elements. Here is the output. As you can see, we did not style it yet. Let's start writing styles for this article. Article maximum width is 35 rem, which will be 350 pixels. Width 100%. Background color white, and padding 1.6 rem. Display flex, but I need this direction to be flex direction. Column, I'm changing its direction from default row to column. I'm adding border radius. Border radius is 0.4 gram, or you can say 4 pixels. Border 1 pixel, solid and black. This is the border. Box shadow -6 pixels in X direction, -6 pixels in Y direction, and then I'm just putting a color. So this is the first box shadow. Now I need to add another box shadow. For that I'm just adding the comma and then putting it here. -6 pixels, -6 pixels. 0 is for the blurriness, and the fourth value is the spreadness of box shadow. That spreadness of box shadow I want is 2 pixels, and then here I'm using black color. Okay, so this is the major concept of box shadow that you can utilize in every modern web design. If you don't know about the CSS box shadows and how it works, I have already write down an article for you so that you guys can learn that faster. I have put the link in the description so that you guys can check that out. If you like this approach, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. I will see you in the next lecture.